turning your engine 32V23 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Alternator very nice, no problem. On top, diesel pump, no problem, very nice. All sockets in good conditions. And the starter here good as well, very nice. Engine code is here, it's visible to see, no problem. And the turbo from this side also good, no problem. Didn't see any damages from outside, very nice, very good. And down here the oil sump, gearbox, very nice. And the engine is turning good.